So we're in a stage where we realize that Elise Jones, Sarah's mom, has moved to this area of the United States. She resides in Alabama last time I checked. We also can consider the celestial scroll temple that arrived on the earth in Guadalajara, Mexico. We can consider Sara hemlock, and Guadalajara. See, Mormons don't get to make the sign of the cross with the head and the shoulders and the navel. This gets to be in a hemlock here at the knee. Sara made a hemlock. So we can consider head, navel, shoulder, shoulder. But I don't want the head here.